Howdy peeps, and welcome back to the channel in a fairly busy city centre. We're in a new shop today. It's called Scaped Nature up on St Giles Street in Norwich, and they deal with all sorts of indoor plants, aquascapes and wet pets, all sorts of cool stuff. So you can see here, just inside the door, we've got the, I'll probably get the names wrong here, terrariums, vivariums, house plants, general cool stuff. We have some there, frogs. I ain't gonna know the correct name. Black and cream coloured frogs. They're cool. And some smaller varieties. And some more. And another. And back down to the bottom. And we have someone. Say hi.
Hello.
And again, more terrariums, I think is the correct name.
It is.
Yay! Is it vivarium if it's got something living in it?
Yes.
Yeah. There we go. Learn something new every day. And as you expect, this is a small selection of plants, and that's just part of it, trust me. And we do a quick 180, grab all the stuff, more tanks, and terraria, complete with smoky tank. Yeah, that looks like my man cave does on a Friday evening, although probably less smoky than my man cave gets. And we have the area with all the with some lights. We've got twin stars, aquails, denala, aqua skies, kessels, and some smaller tanks, and some odds and sods and bits and pieces, nets, filters, all that kind of cool stuff, including the little snail catchers, which if you've got a snail problem, then a snail catcher, scrape them straight off the glass, great job. And over this side we have more, well, up the top we have the ADA aquaria.
So that side is plastic, but
another
we also
gorgeous terrarium.
Bigger bits, most recently.
And some wood and ferns,
We did like a wall of
various fertilisers
which
and magical elixirs to go into your tanks. And we have CO2 stuff,
cool.
which may be on the list for me at some point. Oase, media, Seachem stuff, more little accessories, including the ADA tools. And we're through to the next section where we have just a small selection of bits of wood, spiderwood, manzanita, bogwood, all that kind of cool stuff. A little scaping station so you can get your bits of rock and wood and figure out how they're going to look for yourself. It's a tad dark in this room, but that's because the lights are just on for the fish tanks, or the scapes I should say, they're not really fish tanks. Large chunks of rock, all different sizes and flavours and makeups. More substrates, and a tank full of aquaflora and tropica plants for sale. Big old, I think that's a yucca, it's just attacking me. And we're on to the actual scapes. This is a EA Aquascaper 1200. And I'm just going to linger on these a little longer because these are absolutely stunning. The kind of thing we all want. All sorts of don't ask me to name all the plants. I think there's some microsword, crypts, anubias, Hetrons there, or is that a bacopa? I don't know. Green and red stuff anyway, it's all cool. There's a tiger lotus up the back. If we look down, and Kessel lights. There's some cardinals and another flavour of tetra, and dozens of cherry shrimp, and some Amano shrimp. Obviously it's an aquascape, there's going to be Amanos in there. There's another one which is the Aquascaper 900. This is a fast growing nature scape they're calling it. Obviously all these are running CO2 and highlight and everything. And well stocked with teeny tiny little fishies and lots of shrimpies. And the 600, another slow growing nature scape. With some that's kind of outgrown the tank. But hey, it looks good, that's the important thing. And then we have the 600, the Sanzon Iwagumi, which is just absolutely gorgeous as well. Got some little CPDs in there, having fun, hopefully breeding, so they can have lots of little baby ones. And their aquascaping workstation, so they've got all their lotions and potions and tools, and just a little empty tank. I'm sure will probably be scaped at some point fairly soon. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have, leave us a like, good old thumbs up, get some light on the subject so you can actually see. Yeah, there we go, a bit lighter over here. Like, subscribe, all that good jazz, hit the notification bell. And yeah, this has been Scaped Nature in Norwich. That was Joe. And enjoy your fish keeping. Have fun. Peace out. Rock on. Bye bye.